TUT coin is experiencing a major decline in today's cryptocurrency market, trading around $0.034 after reportedly dropping approximately 47% today. The sharp fall has put TUT under significant short-term pressure and is likely to keep traders focused on whether the token can find stability. A 47% one-day dump is an extremely large move. A decline of this size can dramatically change market sentiment, with existing holders potentially selling to reduce exposure while potential buyers may wait for the selling pressure to slow before considering the market. The $0.034 region is now an important price area to watch. After such a steep decline, buyers may attempt to establish support around the current level. If TUT manages to stabilize here, it could potentially enter a consolidation phase. However, continued selling could lead to further volatility and additional downside pressure. Trading volume is particularly important during a move like today's 47% dump. Heavy volume accompanying the decline could indicate strong selling participation. If the price begins stabilizing while volume gradually cools, it may suggest that the initial selling wave is losing strength. The reason behind today's sharp decline is also worth monitoring. Traders may look for verified project updates, exchange activity, liquidity changes, token-related developments, or broader market conditions that could help explain the sudden move. Without a confirmed catalyst, it is better not to assume a specific reason for the drop. For now, TUT coin is trading around $0.034 after dumping 47% today, making it one of the significant negative movers in the current market. The next few trading sessions will be particularly important as traders look for signs of stabilization or continued weakness. It is important to remember that a 47% one-day decline does not guarantee an immediate recovery. Cryptocurrency markets can remain extremely volatile after major price movements, and further fluctuations can occur in either direction. Trading volume, liquidity, broader market sentiment, and verified project developments should all be considered. If TUT successfully establishes a stable base around $0.034 and buyers gradually return, today's decline could eventually be followed by a recovery phase. If sellers remain dominant, however, the token could continue consolidating or experience further volatility. Overall, TUT's reported 47% dump today is a major short-term market event, with the $0.034 region now becoming a critical area to monitor. Whether buyers can absorb the selling pressure and defend the current price will be key to determining TUT's next phase of price action.